while you just practiced for how many hours? You came up with this very nice presentation. Right now, I could not, of course, I don't know if my choice will be really the best because I don't have any criteria for judging. But if I would just base my choice on what I saw and or whatever score. Of course, the best characters would be from the boys. I have several.
Nanalo yung number 7.
Saan ba?
Only one.
Para mag number 7 eh. Ay, itong
Best
naka-blue.
dress. Siyempre, the best dress would be in costume would be Count of Monte Cristo and Black Beauty.
Hindi pala yun.
Diba?
Kuya,
Was her name again sa Black Beauty?
Ay, tingnan mo ako kung lilitaw ako.
Si Kevin.